Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we're gonna learn how we can power on or wake our phone if it's on sleep mode without using the power button. So what you just have to do first, you have to go over to your menu section and then you scroll down and look for your settings, which we have on all phones, and I think we have settings over here. Yeah, so you just click on settings. Now when you click on settings, it's going to bring you to this screen. So you click on this search icon to make things easier. You just click on the search field here and then you type special features. So it's going to search for special features for you. So as you can see, we have special feature here, so you just have to click on it. Now when you click on it, what you need to click on this micro intelligence. So you see this tapping. So this tapping wake, actually you just have to enable it. This feature actually enables you to double tap your phone for your phone to wake up, and also double tap it to sleep mode. So if you lose your phone's power button and you don't have a power button to wake or power on your phone if it's on sleep mode, then you just have to use this feature so that even if your phone sleeps off, you can easily double tap on your screen to wake it up back. So this is how you can actually wake your phone if it's on sleep mode without using your power button, and this is the setup which you can do on your Android device. So if you enjoyed this video, please just click on the like button, and if you would want to get more content I create later, just click on the notification bell. Thanks and do have a nice day.